Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely gem that is located in the cool parish of Manchester. It offers great income earning potential. The property consists of 4 self-contained apartment units, including 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It is located in proximity to the town of Mandeville, approximately 10 minutes. It is very fruited and is fully fenced and provide adequate parking for both tenants and guests. The property is currently vacant, so appointments for viewing are flexible. Guys, let's take a look at this investment property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 430,000 or Jamaican $66.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.